Ever wondered why some people swim in cash while others drown in debt? Well, grab your financial floaties because today we're diving into the wild world of assets and liabilities. Now, let's not get lost in the financial jargon jungle. I mean, who wants to swim through the murky waters of accounting, right? It's like trying to decipher a secret code from an ancient civilization. But fear not, I'm here to be your financial Indiana Jones, navigating through the treacherous terrain and decoding the mysteries of assets and liabilities. If you enjoy what we do here, please consider giving that thumbs up button a click to show your support. So, assets. Picture them as those majestic golden geese, serenading you with a chorus of cha-ching as they lay eggs of cash. Now, liabilities. Picture them as fire-breathing dragons, slyly devouring your hard-earned money with their fiery bills. We're on a quest for more geese and fewer dragons because who wouldn't want a golden egg-laying farm instead of a dragon-infested cave, right? Now, let's step into the real world, where houses take center stage. Is buying a house an asset or a liability? Some might argue it's an asset, but hold on to your mortgage statement. If you're settling into your dream home, it's less of a golden goose and more of a money pit, draining your pockets with every leaky faucet and creaky floorboard. However, if you're flipping it like a pancake at a breakfast buffet, now we're talking about a delicious asset. Syrup, anyone? Now, assets are the tools in your financial utility belt, just like Batman's gear. Stocks, bonds, that quirky antique rubber duck collection you've got stashed away? Yep, all assets if they're tossing some cash into your pocket. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the magical realm of tangible versus intangible assets. Tangible assets are the high-fivers, the real MVPs you can touch and feel. Land, property, and that cold, hard cash that practically screams, "Give me a high five." On the flip side, intangible assets are like that invisible friend you had as a kid. Undeniably real, but you can't quite put your finger on it. Think patents, copyrights, and yes, even the secret sauce in Grandma's cookies. It's there, it's valuable, but good luck trying to give it a high five. Now, let's separate the wizards from the muggles in the world of assets. Real assets versus financial assets. Real assets, like a wizard's wand, have intrinsic value. They stand tall and proud, unaffected by the market's whims. On the other hand, financial assets are a bit like trading cards. They might have a Charizard level value today, but tomorrow, it could be more of a Magikarp situation. And let's be real, a Pikachu card won't cover your rent, no matter how cute it is. Now, let's take a stroll down Wall Street, where stocks reign supreme, the true rock stars of the financial concert. Picture this, you, in the spotlight, owning a piece of apple. No, not the fruit. Although, that would be a tasty investment, but the powerhouse company itself. That, my friend, is the magic of stocks. It's not just about buying low and selling high. It's about becoming a backstage pass holder to the thriving world of companies. Imagine stocks as your golden ticket to a financial carnival. It's like setting up a yard sale, but instead of parting ways with dusty old knickknacks, you're trading pieces of the companies that shape our world. You're not just selling items, you're selling ownership in the future, a stake in innovation and progress. Now, don't be fooled into thinking stocks are a one-trick pony. Oh no, my financial friend. They're a dynamic duo, a Batman and Robin of wealth creation. First up, we've got capital gain. Think of it as a strapping in for the exhilarating roller coaster ride of stock prices. Up, down, loop the loop. The thrill seeker's dream come true. You're not just watching the show, you're riding the adrenaline-fueled waves of the market. But hold on to your financial hat because there's more to this spectacle. Enter dividends, the unsung heroes of the stock market. They're like the reliable friend who stand by you through thick and thin. When the market is singing a melancholic tune, dividends are there to harmonize, paying you back for your loyalty. It's like having a financial BFF who not only remembers your birthday, but hands you a crisp, cash-filled card to celebrate. So whether you're a thrill seeker, chasing the ups and downs of capital gain, or someone who enjoys the steady rhythm of dividends, stocks have a melody for everyone. They're not just numbers on a screen. They're your ticket to a front row seat in the ever-evolving financial symphony. Now, let's saunter away from the dizzying twists and turns of Wall Street and mosey on over to the quaint neighborhoods of real estate. Imagine this. You, not just a homeowner, but the lord or lady of your own financial castle. Buying a house to live in forever? It's like securing your spot in the cozy kingdom, a fortress of comfort and warm memories. But hold on to your mortgage papers. We're about to explore how this kingdom can transform into a lucrative empire. So, you've got a house, but why stop there? If you're the kind of person who sees potential in peeling wallpaper and creaky floorboards, welcome to the fixer-upper game, where that cozy fortress becomes the cornerstone of Asset City. It's not just about four walls and a roof. It's about turning your dwelling into a profit-generating kingdom. Think of it as wielding a magic wand or a hammer to elevate your property's value and reign supreme in the land of real estate. Now, let's say you'd rather not dabble in the DIY drama. Fear not, for real estate investment trusts are here to be your golden ticket. A backstage pass to the real estate show without the need for a hammer or a paintbrush. It's like having your own personal real estate manager who takes care of the nitty-gritty while you sit back and collect the rewards. Picture it, real estate on autopilot, the financial equivalent of sipping a cool beverage while someone else tends to the garden. So, whether you're a hands-on DIY monarch, transforming your fortress into a financial kingdom, or you prefer the hands-off approach, where REITs do the heavy lifting, real estate offers a landscape of opportunities. It's not just about the property, it's about crafting your financial fiefdom. Now, let's ponder the philosophical question, is knowledge an asset? Oh, absolutely! If your brain were a stock, it would be reaching astronomical heights. Businesses are out there, waving wads of cash, eagerly seeking folks who know their stuff. So why not become the asset? Learn a skill that transforms you into the Sherlock Holmes of your industry, solving financial mysteries and earning the big bucks. And there you have it, my financial companions. Tangible, intangible, real, financial. Assets come in all shapes and sizes. So whether you're hugging a wad of cash or holding the blueprint to Grandma's secret sauce, just remember, assets are your golden tickets to financial wonderland. Stay tuned for more financial adventures. Hit that like button and subscribe for a front row seat to the financial circus. Cheers to high-fiving assets and bidding farewell to those elusive dragons.